sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by. All kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video, we're throwing it back to a lot of my old style videos where there was a lot of home stuff. Obviously like so many pre-mom things. Now I feel like I make so many mom vlogs and I love that. I love sharing like real life, but we're gonna focus on like home decor, furniture, that whole sort of thing. And I'm actually going to the Serena and Lily outlet. I had no idea there was an outlet. There's also a restoration hardware outlet that isn't too far that I've visited a few times, but I haven't been there in like almost 2 years. So it's been a while, but we're going to the Serena and Lily outlet. Never been there, but they're supposed to be having like a $49 chair sale. I saw someone post that on Instagram, but I feel like it's too good to be true. Like there was maybe one tiny little stock of those and they're probably all gone. But I also believe miracles can happen. Yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoy home kinds of videos, decor, that whole sort of thing. If you guys wanna see more videos like this. I also recently revamped, let me show you guys. This space, if you guys recall, I know it's really childish right now. Meadow's little cushion thing is there. But when I clean it all up, you guys will see it looks really cute. I love this little like stool, and then these Sherpa chairs are from Target. I will link them below if you guys are interested. The outfit, got my mom shorts on. I wanted to make sure I was wearing something comfy, but still cute. Like I don't want to walk in there and look like, I don't know, look like I just rolled off the streets. So I did pull myself together just a bit, and I did my quick 15-minute makeup. So I think I'm just so proud that I have this 15-minute makeup. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I will link the previous video down below. But yeah, I've been doing this super quick makeup that's like glam the way I like it, but it's just so quick and still kind of natural in my opinion. I also have this black tank, mom shorts. Always got to wear the mom shorts. Love the length of these. I will link them below. And then these, I think these are Steve Madden. No, they're not. I forget what brand they are. I'll try to find them and link them below, but let's head out to find those chairs. Got the goods. So now I can continue. I get the grande iced white chocolate mocha with only 1 pump of the sauce because otherwise it's just way too sweet, and oat milk. And then I do light whip because I love their whip. But yeah, now I got my fuel. Now we can continue on our way to the outlet. Made it, and people are actually loading up chairs right now, and I could see chairs through the window. Maybe the miracle is happening. So not sure if you guys can see that little poster, but the majority of these chairs were $49. Like everything you guys see here was $49. I literally scored the deal of the century. Guys, look what is back there. I cannot believe that they actually had the $49 chairs that I saw on Instagram. Like, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. These are not my top pick. They're definitely my number 2 pick. But she did say that my top pick, they don't get as often as these ones. I paid $200 for 4 counter stools. $200. That's insane. Usually that's what more than one costs. So anyway, so I figured I would get these because I didn't want to risk not getting them because there was only 5 or 6 of these left. So she said grab and pay them, put them in your car, and then go back inside and keep shopping. I'm gonna look at some like lampshades, or not, like chandeliers for the kitchen. I feel like they might still be a little pricey. It was the chairs that were the best deal. I'm looking for something like this. These are so pretty, but I feel like they're too big. Here's a ton of other really pretty ones. Ooh, I like the black one right there. I like all of these. Okay, I'm literally so torn. I actually love that, but it might be too gaudy, even though it's not gaudy. Classic. But I also like more of like the dome shape, not like the circle shape. So one's back there. This pendant is actually my favorite, but I think it's still like $650 each, which is not what I'm trying to spend. Although that is half off. They're really pretty, but I love this black one. Here's all the pendants that they do have. You guys, major success. I only came back with the 4 chairs, but right before I was about to head out, a gentleman came out of the bathroom that I hadn't seen before, and he asked me if I needed help. And I was like, oh, I was just kind of wondering about these lamps. Do you guys have more? Do you guys get more stock? And he actually said that they are getting ready for a major lamp sale in the next few weeks. So I'm gonna hold out and wait, because I feel like there are gonna be some amazing deals on the pendants. He said kind of similar to like the chairs, the $49 chairs. I'm assuming there's gonna be like $49 lamps or something super cheap like that. So I'm gonna wait a few more weeks and I'll be back, and I'll probably be able to score an amazing deal on those as well. Also, I have a car seat in the front seat because I didn't take it out. I didn't think that this chair situation would actually happen. So I am just finding all the goods today. There's also a Williams-Sonoma outlet. What? Never heard of it, never been here. I'll definitely be hitting that up, but I see the Restoration Hardware outlet just right there. I have been there before, but like I said, it's been like 2 years, so let's go inside.
The sea is calm and I know we've been through.
Okay, they have a ton of amazing stuff here also, and everything seems to be at least 50% off. But they used to have 40% off this entire store. Now it's just like the current price, or she said unless something is on clearance. So for like this, it's on clearance, so that's a better deal. Aside from that, everything is still obviously on the pricier side because Restoration Hardware stuff is expensive. But again, it's worth the drive if you plan on getting amazing quality pieces. Like, oh, this outdoor furniture set is so freaking pretty. But yeah, probably thousands of dollars still. Okay, these are stunning, but they're still $3,500. But literally, that is stunning. Oh my gosh, so is this. Look at this black and white chair. They're so freaking pretty. There's so many beautiful pieces. I love this. It's huge too. But that's still $2,000. These are on clearance and beautiful as well. But since they're white, they are kind of dirty. And these are 60% off, so they're still close to like $1,500 each. But so pretty. There's also a ton of coffee tables. Like, they're huge and beautiful, but again, they're all still kind of like over $1,000 for the majority of them. Still out of my price range. I like to spend a few hundred. Okay, here's an actual like really good deal one. This one's originally $1,000 and it's $226, but I think this is the only one they have. Like, I don't think they have multiples, but it's actually really pretty. That's one I would highly consider if I didn't get the other stools that I just grabbed. Okay, here's another top contender, but this is still $550. Really good deal, but I'm definitely gonna still wait for the Serena and Lily pendant sale. Okay, Williams-Sonoma outlet now, and they have these chairs for $99. Oh my god, these are so pretty too. And those ones up there are only $99. What the heck? Where are all these deals coming from? Why didn't I ever know about them? There's also an additional 50% off. So this one is totally worth it. Okay, all of these are $99, but they don't have sets. And that's why they're $99 is what she said. They're really cute. I would totally buy these, but not. I obviously need 6 of them. They're also in white. Now I can't decide which ones I like more. The like tan color over there, and I think, oh, these are actually really pretty. And I'm pretty sure he said these are $400 with 50% off, so they're $200 each, which is not bad. True life, I'm starving, but I want to keep shopping. I realized there's also a West Elm outlet right around the corner, so I'm gonna go there. But I'm so hungry. I stopped at Sprouts because I needed a few things, then I realized I can get myself a lunch there. So I'm gonna make myself a sandwich and eat it in the car. Then I'm gonna go shopping at West Elm. I feel like a child again. Like, I don't even know. I'm so excited.
Yeah, it is just
Okay, clearly I'm such a newbie. There's the West Elm outlet. Then there's also a Crate and Barrel outlet. There's just like all these freaking home outlets that I had no idea about. This is the mecca of like home outlets.
sometimes I
love this dining chair. Well, there's only 2. I don't know how much it is. Oh, it's $6.59. I don't know if it's also 30 or 50% off. I think it might be. So they're around 300-ish. Okay, last store. I don't think I'm gonna film too much, but quickly, Crate & Barrel makes it really easy to see the prices. Literally just nice and big. And then it'll also tell you, I think, the original price, and then a lot of this stuff is finals. Oh, they have that wishbone chair that I want. I wonder how much it is here. But this is like a big open space. Like, I like how everything's laid out. West Elm that I went to previously was a lot more like cluttered, and they weren't as friendly. That was like the least friendly store I've been to. Are you kidding me with these patio chairs? These are so freaking cute. But they're 30% off, so they're $700. Originally $1,000. But those are freaking adorable. Oh my god, imagine having this in my backyard. I believe, yeah, this is a patio set. Look how huge it is too. Wait, it's $900. No, that's for the chase. Each piece is $900. I was like, wait a second. That sounds too good. Oh my goodness, and look at these chairs. Okay, this is so pretty. It looks really like sturdy and amazing quality for $850, so not bad at all. Okay, picked up the kitchen really quickly. Okay, now I got the chairs right there. Let's swap them out. It's just us two. Ta-da! Okay, so it does look 100 times better, but if I'm gonna be completely honest, I feel like the nude color, or like it was the natural color, I guess, would have looked better, just because I didn't realize that the white would kind of clash. Sorry, moving a chair. I didn't realize that this white would kind of clash with the white down there. Like, there's almost too much white going on. And then, but I think my main issue here is also the countertops. I hate our countertops. If you guys have been following for a while, we bought this house pretty much like everything was already chosen and made. Even though we were the first owners, we needed to move in quickly, so we had to choose a house that like was ready to go. Also, I cannot wait to get new pendants. I still like these. I still think they're beautiful. I just kind of want something different, like just kind of revamp this place. All right, here's the finale. I think I showed these. I know I showed them to you guys in white. I ended up going back the next day. I got them in black because I just I wasn't feeling it. The white was just throwing me off. Although it did grow on me and I did end up liking it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I actually still have the white ones because I feel like I'm just holding on to them as a backup in case I end up hating these, or in case we do end up getting new countertops in the near future. Okay, moving on to a totally different space in our home, our entryway. Oh my gosh. It was an absolute disaster. It's kind of embarrassing to show you guys, but this is what has been going on for the past few months. I've just piled Meadow shoes in this entryway for far too long. I finally went online and got this beautiful like entry cabinet. I guess it could also even be kind of like a media set. Like, there's so many different places you can put it. We have really similar ones in our playroom, and I absolutely love them, which is why I got this one. And I think it looks beautiful. It's also the perfect size, so I will link it down below. I put it together myself. It took me like a solid 45 minutes to an hour. And the quality feels great, like especially for the price I paid. I think it was like under $300, which is really good, and it feels like it's gonna last a while. So I finally cleaned everything up, moved all the shoes. I like sorted everything out and kind of organized. Okay, here is the complete and finished entryway. I know the shoes don't look the best, but honestly, this is just what works for us. I did clean them out and put the shoes that we wear the most, and like slippers and stuff like that. So from the top, you could really still see, I guess, like the clutter or the mess, but like we walk in through the garage, we'll take off our shoes. It's just what works. So I think that's gonna stay there, unless I find a better solution. I don't know. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. All of Meadow shoes and everything are in here, plus like hats, things that we grab on our way out. I feel like it's just the most practical thing. And then I kept the top decor. These two pieces I do need to get rid of. I'm not a fan of, they're like candle holders. But But yeah, I definitely don't like these. Like if they weren't here, I feel like it would look even a little cleaner and better. Our mirror is staying. This little fake like olive tree. I think this is from Target, so I'll try to find it and link it below as well. And then of course the cabinet that you guys saw me put together. But yeah, that is the finished entryway. I will link everything below, like I said. Looks so much better and so much cleaner. Like let me back up so you guys can really get it. There you go. Like you can really get a good idea of what this all looks like. We have our frame here. We have Meadow's little kitchen right here. So everything just like flows and looks so much better. I'm so happy with it.